Hey YouTube. So today is gonna be something different. I got a new side hobby, whatever you want to call that. But what I've been doing recently is I've been buying stuff off of auction. And I've been trying to resell it. So this is it. Just thought I'd take you guys along with me through this little side job slash little business I'm getting myself into. I've been buying a lot of different light fixtures and a lot of different things off of auction for cheap because they return items, and I've been trying to sell them off of OfferUp, but pretty soon I'm going to start my own eBay store once I get everything settled up and everything else. But hey, this is my first mystery miscellaneous box. Not really mystery box, but miscellaneous. I bought this for $12 on auction. You know, it starts off with 0 and it goes up from there, and I got it for $12. So here's what it's inside of this. I got right here Diablo bimetal hole saw system, 2-inch. You know, it's been used, but it's pretty brand new. Next is this DeWalt razor blade. I don't know what this is. This is some latex primer, just prime and seal, acrylic bonder. This is a shower head valve socket. Like I said, a lot of these things are open box, which when I sell them, I list them as open box. You know, I don't include packaging. That's just how it's gonna be. Next one is this pistol grip blowgun, the Husky, still in its box. So right there, if you really just wanted to just put everything as $2, this is more than $2, but 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 bucks so far out of 5 items if I just sold everything for $2. This is a Whisk aluminum cutter right here. We use this to cut the aluminum studs for the drywall. You know, cut through aluminum with those. Next is this DeWalt nail puller. And then we have this Husky 6-inch double speed adjustable wrench. So right here is, I already got my money's worth right there if I just, you know, price something up more. $5. This is some light clips, outdoor light clips, I guess, to hang, you know, some lights outside. This is maybe another Husky one, or another DeWalt one. Not Husky, another DeWalt one. Looks the same. So 2 of those so far. Oh, what is this? This is a arrow stapler. I've never seen one of these before, like this kind of style. See, as you can see, it was listed as $21.98 at Home Depot. This is a hammer attacker, it says. So I guess you just smack it against the wall and it tacks whatever you got to tack. I have some nice looking garden gloves. Diggs garden gloves, medium, touchscreen, compatible. This is the bonus right here. This right here is something. Definitely don't know what this is. I'm guessing it's some sort of tool, because there's a hexagon on this side and then there's a square on that side. So I'm guessing it's like a multi-tool. Some old junky linemen's. I don't know why these are in there. Maybe they were thrown in there, or maybe I'm trying to figure out what brand these are. These are DeWalt's right here, says it. I don't know if they had a lifetime warranty. What is these right here? These are some used channel locks. Don't really know what these are for. Gonna research these up. Never used these yet. Maybe they're not even for my job industry. Here are, I think these are fasteners or anchors. These are concrete anchors right here. Only got 7 in there. Here's another Husky adjustable 12-inch wrench. Here's some more outdoor hanging clips. This right here is gonna be a Stanley Fat Max 25-foot tape measure. I believe it's still good. No, it's either been used and they didn't use it that much because it looks pretty new, or this was a mess up, and all those letters are like either mistaken or just like beat up. But I feel like this looks used, but it looks pretty new to be used. So I don't know, I'm taking it as this was a quality mess up in the production. Here's a hook, eye bolt with nut, 1/2 inch by 8 inches. Here's a tool terminal kit. This is pretty good. It's very handy for me actually, because I be doing I am doing at my work. I'm an electrician, so we do electrical, and a lot of times when we use stranded wire for the little outlets, we use these to connect into the outlet, into the receptacle if there's no holes, because the stranded wire gets all caught up inside of it. A lot of it's missing, but the good thing is it has a crimper in there. That's the key point. Other than that, these little terminals don't do much. Really, they do, but here's also a strap. I got one strap in here. Don't know what brand this is, but strap. Here's one of those cheap Home Depot razor blades. Doesn't even feel like it works. This might be just broken. There's a blade in there that's caught, so I gotta be careful with that. Put that aside. Here are some Tapcon anchors. I use these for concrete. Here's a universal push igniter kit for gas grills. So this is perfect for a replacement igniter. Your igniter goes out on your grill right there. These are gonna come in handy for me personally, because I have a jigsaw, and I don't even think these are. I might not be able to use these actually. I have a jigsaw, but mine are T-shank. These are U-shank, so I don't think I'll be able to use these. But these are for the jigsaw metal blades. This tile natural stone drill bit. You can drill through stuff. Ooh. An HDMI cord with Ethernet. Nice. You can sell this, $1, whatever. T30 2-inch star bits. This is a wrench, 3/4 wrench. Don't know what brand it is. Feels like a Husky. I'll find out. It's just all this orange tape. When I take it off, and most of the time it just peels off separately from the rest of the tape, and I need to, scrape that off completely. Here's a 1/2 inch to 3/8 inch drive adapter. So perfect. So when you have smaller sockets for your ratchet. Here we have a HDX, basically Home Depot brand putty knife. Brand new putty knife. Has even I think that's feels like hard plastic. A lot of the good ones have the metal on them, I know, because a lot of the drywallers I work with tell me the good ones have metal on it. I don't know why, but that's that. This guy is a window sash lock. I guess you can lock your window with this. That's what it shows. Regularly $657, $427 when it was on sale clearance. A random toilet valve adapter or whatever. Then we have these Bosch 3-piece 1/8, 3/16, and 1/4 block bits. We have this on and off switch. I can use this myself, so I'll probably just say this for myself. It's pretty good, looks like. And then last but not least is this random cover plate for the door. So as you guys can see, this is my whole little lot, as you can see, a little box full of items. I paid $12 for this. I'm gonna try this out at least for $5 a piece. You know, make it cheap, but make it to where I don't lose that much money. I'm not losing any money, but I make a little bit of money rather than not making too less of money, as you can say. But hey guys, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.